1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to strum it, you go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this tutorial. It's going to be a simple tutorial, 2 chords and a little riff. And we're going to go straight into this riff. You can download the PDF if you want to follow along. I've got it on my website. Okay, so capo on the 2nd fret, and we are going to play it using our thumb and these 2 fingers. Okay, so we're going to start with the C shape. Okay, so this is basically 3rd fret over here. I'll show you the chord shapes quickly. This is going to be the C shape. Okay, and this is going to be the G. So C, G, C, G. Okay, and then when we're going to add some slides here. So for the C chord, we're going to go and just kill the strings there. The X just means kill the string. So, and then you slide from 5 to 7. So, and then after you slide, you play these 2 strings again. So, and then the G part goes like this. The G part's a little harder. Ach, so I'll do that slowly. If you put that together, you get this. First slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and then if you want to play the song with strumming, you're just basically going to go down, up, down, down, using the normal C add 9, and a G chord. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Cool. Have a nice day, guys. Oh, bye. If you want to learn another great country song, go learn the song from Bailey Zimmerman called Rock and Hard Place. Really nice country song. Cheers, guys. Bye.